Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and if you are looking for Code Blog Pro plugin for your WordPress website, then in this video I will guide you how you can purchase it from Bloggingify store and how we can activate on your WordPress website. So let's get started. So first of all, I will provide you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect here. Otherwise, just open your browser and type for Bloggingify store and click on this website, and here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins. And if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon. So basically in this video we'll talk about code block. So let me type code, and here you can see WP code box, code snippet, code block pro, stqr code, lots of WordPress item. So we will talk about code block pro. So let me just click on it, and here's the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Use for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually we will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your product in a few minutes. License type original license ki we have, that's why we do not prefer to share our license to anyone. We install all the licenses manually by our temporary login access. That's why we need temporary login. Okay, so if you want to purchase this one, so just click on add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information, that is your first name, last name, your WhatsApp number with country code, your email address for invoices, and create a account password for Bloggingify store, and select your payment method and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page. Here you can see a download button, so just click on this download button and you will receive our premium contact support here. So you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your product in a few minutes. That's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too. So if you have any doubt, you can do a comment in comment section. And once again, thank you so much guys for watching this video.